tonight. And Mark will be joining us. Maybe he's dripping from being in that pool. Lucky if he is. But he's back with Prepology. Prepology is our own in-house brand here at QVC that really gives us the best of the best in the world of kitchen gadgets and beyond. In this case, a silicone microwave baking cooking mat. I cannot make bacon to save my life. I think, ooh, just a few more seconds, ooh, maybe just another minute, then I open the oven again and it is burnt to a crisp. This takes the guesswork out of it. It even looks like little bacon swivels right there. $4.60 on an easy pay. It's K310147. Your colors are ocean blue, cracked pepper, and tomato. These are all colors that you might recognize throughout the Prepology line. So if you're a collector and you want to keep things in harmony of color, then this is perfect. Mark Gill, out of the pool, into the kitchen.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you? All dried off? Did you have a good swim?
I'm all dry. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Whenever you see me outside baking in the Florida heat with a Blackstone, I'm already soaked. I jump in the pool before the airing. You can't tell because everything's black. That's how I stay cool when it's 1,000 degrees outside.
Okay, that's Florida grill, right? For you. Well, let's
guys,
talk
have a
bacon.
Look at this. Now, what's that? Bacon. We're going to talk bacon now. And you know, to your point, this is Prepology. It's our house brand. It's our proprietary brand. We bring you some of the smartest gadgets and gadgets. So before I pop this in the microwave, let me just peel back the bacon that I've already got set up here, just so you can see what's going on here. This is all ridges, so it holds the bacon up off the surface of the cooker. That means that any grease is going to fall down into those channels and it's going to stay away from the bacon. And to your point, Julia, if we're going to make bacon, we got to dig out the pots, the pans. You got to have some kind of cooking knowledge. Everything is getting hot. There's splatter everywhere, which means you got to clean up. And it just isn't practical if you're going to make it for 1 or 2 people. So this is perfect because it holds just enough bacon for 1 or 2 people, and it's reinforced with stainless steel all around the outside. So it's a really sturdy piece, which you're really going to love. And all you're going to do is load it up with your favorite bacon, thick, thin, doesn't really matter. Do they make thick bacon anymore? I buy thick bacon, and it's still like paper. I'm not going to get into it. And then all you're going to do is you're going to pop that in the microwave for about 1 minute per slice.
1 minute
so if I've
per
got
slice.
5 slices on there, that means 5 minutes. But what I'm going to do, because this is so paper thin, this bacon, I'm going to go a little bit less. But have a look at this. We have perfect cooked, crisp bacon that I don't have to blot with a paper towel because it's raised up off of those ridges, which I absolutely love. And you've got that great snack, that great topping for burgers, that great topping for salad. We'll look at a few uses after this just in a second. But here's what's cool about this. There's 2 drain spouts on either side. So if I want to save this gold for cooking later, right, I can absolutely do it. And here's the other problem, Julia, when you're making bacon, is once you're finished, now you got to clean that pot. Well, this is silicone, so here comes the cleanup process. Don't blink, whatever you do. All you have to do, Julia, is just rinse it in the sink or pop it in the top rack of the dishwasher, and you are ready to go again. This really is one of the smartest products that I've ever seen for cooking bacon. So once you've taken that no more than 3, 4, 5 minutes with no cleanup at all, you've got perfect bacon for your burgers. You've got nice bacon crisps for your salad, just the top right on there, which I absolutely love. And, you know, if you've never tried bacon on popcorn, boy, that is just the way to go.
Bacon
so it's quick.
On popcorn.
Bacon on popcorn,
you know
Julia.
What,
We're not
man?
playing around here.
I'm not mad at that.
No, how can you be mad at that, right?
No,
so listen,
not at all.
The fact that this comes in all of those great colors that match all of our Prepology pieces, I just love that.
So let me do a little color run real fast here. There's only 3 to choose from, but I think they're like the 3 most popular colors within the Prepology line. Starting off with the tomato. Then I have it for you in cracked pepper. And then I have it for you in ocean blue. Most limited, only 100 remain in that one. It's $4.60 on an easy pay. Now, just this month, 5,600 orders have been placed. Tis the season where people are coming to visit. They're staying in town. Maybe you are going to like an Airbnb or your beach house and you want to make breakfast for everybody. Maybe it's a share house. Bring this with you. So you're the one who's making the perfect bacon every single morning, and you're getting that sizzling, crackling sound. You're getting that smoky smell throughout the entire home. Nothing is better. I know they say, like the old commercial, the best part of waking up. You know where I'm going with that? The best part of waking up, but I won't finish. I think it's bacon.
Lied.
It's bacon. I think it's the smell of bacon.
It's not coffee, it's bacon.
No, it's not coffee, it's bacon. It's bacon. That's what I want to wake up to every single day.
Bacon, so.
Shaken.
I love it. So listen.
I'll come up with a jingle.
Bacon's one thing, but candied bacon's another.
Oh.
Now, candied bacon's one of those things that, you go to the restaurant, they'll call it $1 million bacon, or they'll have a fancy name, and they're going to charge you $5, $6, $7, $8 for just a few slices of this. Now you can make it at home quick and easy for that snack, and I'm going to show you how to do it, okay?
Okay.
So I've got 5 slices of bacon on here.
Okay.
And what I've done is I've par-cooked these. So I'm about 2/3 of the way through the cooking process on this. So then I'm just going to pull it right out of the microwave, and I'm going to start with a little bit of maple syrup on each slice. Look at that start to glisten and gleam. And what this is going to do is it's going to start that browning process with the sugar in the syrup. Now, if you can use natural 100% maple syrup, that's even better, because that is just pure, caramelizing sugar. So then, if it's not sweet enough, we're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. And this is going to give it, Julia, that texture that candied bacon's famous for, okay? And then you're just going to kind of sprinkle this right on top, just like that. That's all we're going to do. And then we're going to finish it off. I just about killed David with this the other day. We're going to finish it off with pepper flakes, all right? Always warn somebody if they're going to take a big bite, if you take a bunch of pepper flakes on this. I forgot to do this, and I thought I was going to get run out of the building. So there we go. We've got all of this on here. We're about 2/3 of the way through, okay? And then you're just going to take it back to the microwave. Let me take what we just cooked, put it to the side. We'll get back to that in a second. And let me pop that in there. Now, I've only got the one microwave, unlike what we have on the set here. So I did a few of these a little bit earlier, because you do want to let them cool a bit. And I want you to have a look at this, okay? That is so yummy, so tasty. And let me just give you a couple of ideas that you can do with this. Now, number one, I've let this cool a little bit because I want it to be a little bit on the heavier side. Try candied bacon on your hamburgers. That's a taste sensation that's out of this world. Remember that popcorn that we talked about?
Yeah.
Well, go ahead and try candied bacon on your popcorn. That is so yummy, so tasty. I tell you, this takes that simple snack and it just elevates it beyond belief. This is such a yummy treat when it comes movie time. But if you really want to have fun with this, here we go. All right. So we're going to grab our nice big thick piece here, and it's going to go right in the chocolate, just like this. We're going to do about half. You seeing this? You seeing what's happening here? There we go. And then right into the pistachio nuts, and you have a treat that is unlike anything. You go to the specialty chocolate shops and they make chocolate covered bacon, and it is just one of the most unbelievable treats. Let's do it again. Take my little brush. I'm just going to brush it right on there like that. You see this with the chocolate going on? Just like that. And then right in our pistachio nuts, I'm going to give it a little coating. And Julia, to be able to make this in less than 10 minutes in your microwave at home, to have that incredible taste sensation, I got to tell you something, man, that is out of this world. I absolutely want you to try this. I am
so mad that you're not in the studio today.
Let's do our last one.
Awestruck. I am agog.
Here we go. There we go. Well, I'll tell you what.
What?
Oh, Trish keeps putting her hand out. Trish wants this.
I'm sure he does.
Here we go.
I want this too. Okay, tomato. I have lost all thought and feeling in my legs. All right, so here is your tomato. Here's your cracked pepper. Here's your ocean blue. 4 dozen remain in the ocean blue. If you get it for nothing else than to make candied bacon, that's it. It's $4.60 on an easy pay. It's K31047. Thank you so. I don't even know what to do. I've gone weak in the knees. Mark Gill, thank you so much. It's great to see you. Hopefully I'll see you next week.
Yeah, I will be there.
Bring me my candied bacon. Okay, this is going to take